Ever fantasize about cruising through storybook European landscapes where castles perched on hilltops and vineyards line the riverbanks? A Rhine River cruise might be exactly what you're dreaming of. Let's explore the magic of a Rhine River cruise, often starting in Switzerland, and how I'll make your journey as smooth as the river itself. The Rhine River winds through the heart of Europe, from the Swiss Alps through Germany and France to the Netherlands. Picture yourself gliding on a sleek river ship, watching medieval castles and quaint villages drift by. No ocean waves here, just calm waters and a new port almost every day. One morning you'll dock in Germany near the Black Forest. Next morning you'll wake up in Strasbourg, France, hearing cathedral bells. By journey's end, you're sailing into Amsterdam's canal-filled charm. Talk about a fairy tale itinerary. You might wonder, is a river cruise for me? The answer is likely yes. The Rhine appeals to travelers of all ages now, not just retirees. History buffs, foodies, wine lovers, and active explorers, many ships carry bicycles for guests, all find something to love. Plus, river cruising is intimate and relaxing. River ships typically hold under 200 passengers, usually closer to 125. Like a floating boutique hotel, you get a friendly, personalized experience that's hard to match on bigger ocean liners. Before I gush more, quick question. What did one river say to the other when they met in Basel? Well, this is a fine Rhine. Now check out the highlights of a Rhine River cruise. Switzerland to Germany, very typical. Many Rhine cruises kick off in Basel, Switzerland. I always suggest arriving a day early to explore. Maybe see Zurich or Lucerne for stunning alpine scenery and lakes. Starting in Switzerland means you can toast your cruise with Swiss chocolate and alpine views before we set sail north. Castles on the Rhine Gorge. In the Middle Rhine Valley, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, you'll cruise past a parade of medieval castles on hilltops. You'll also see the famed Lorelai Rock, where legend says a siren enchanted sailors. Stops at quaint towns like Rudesheim or St. Goar let you tour actual castles and sample the region's famous Riesling wines. Cultural cities and history abound. Strasbourg, France offers a blend of French and German culture. Think half-timbered houses, a towering Gothic cathedral, and delicious Alsatian wines and cuisine. In Germany, you might visit Cologne to marvel at its enormous cathedral, steps from where the ship docks, and sip a Kölsch beer. By the time you reach Amsterdam in Netherlands, you'll experience its charming canals, artistic heritage, and a Stroopwafel treat. Each port is like stepping into a postcard. Your local flavor and excursions. River cruising lets you truly experience local life. You'll savor German sausages and pretzels, sip regional wines, and explore charming towns. Plus, daily guided excursions are usually included. Maybe a walking tour one day, a bike ride the next. And if you want to relax on board instead, go for it. It's your vacation, it's your place, on your speed. Now let's talk choosing the right river cruise. There are several excellent river cruise lines on the Rhine, each with its own style. Viking is the most famous. You'll probably see their commercials. They have modern, comfortable ships and great itineraries. AmaWaterways is fantastic for active travelers, lots of biking and hiking options. Uniworld offers luxurious, uniquely decorated ships that feel like boutique hotels. Avalon has those panorama suites with beds facing the view, which is amazing for river scenery. And others too. But don't worry, I'll help you find the perfect match for your style and budget, so you get to experience what you want. Here's how I make it easy for you. I'll break down what's included on each line so you know exactly what you're getting, no surprises on board. I'll also handle your travel logistics. Rhine cruises usually start in one city and end in another. I can arrange your flights into Basel, for wherever your start point is and get you home from the end, often in Amsterdam. If you want to add nights before or after the cruise, we can do that also. I'm always on the lookout for promotions as well. River cruise lines often run deals. Early booking discounts, 2-for-1 fares, even free airfares on others. Being part of a top agency network means I may have exclusive perks like onboard credit, spending credits for a complimentary excursion, or I'll make sure you get the best value possible. And remember, my services come at no extra cost. The cruise lines pay me, so you get all my help and insight at no additional cost. I'm here to give you peace of mind. If you have questions about currency in Europe, what to pack, or even if water levels on the Rhine will affect your trip, rare, but people do ask, I've got your answers. If anything unexpected comes up while you're traveling, you have me in your corner to help. You can simply enjoy the journey. Ready to say Rhine me up and embark on this European adventure? Maxie, our customer care manager, will tell you what to do next.
Fill out Ken's Where to Next survey by scanning that beautifully handsome QR code and let us know the Rhine River or any other destination is on your list. Once we get your info, Ken will reach out to schedule your free planning consultation. We'll discuss what you envision: castles, wine, history, all of the above, and then I'll get to work crafting your perfect river cruise vacation.
Indeed. Max, you heard the boy. Fill out that survey and we'll start planning your Rhine River cruise. I'm Ken. Thanks for joining us. I can't wait to say Prost as you set sail on the incredible journey. Happy travels and bon voyage.